We're here at one of our recent customer implementations, Ecore, in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Behind me is the color mill, where the Banbury mixer machine was one of the problem areas that Ecore wanted to solve. They wanted information about how well the machine was operating, and they knew they needed data. The innius solution provides visibility and insight to all of that data.
Anytime we had any claims with our product that we make, we really were blind to what caused it to happen.
We had a lack of robust data display and monitoring for some key processes. And we wanted that data both for real-time as well as historical analysis.
So what we did was we identified the different audience members here at Ecore and what they wanted to know, and we mapped that to the different data elements that would be helpful to them. We came back and we did an implementation, and we came out to the Banbury mixer that first morning to see how things were operating, and it was down. They instantly were able to start asking questions about, well, what was the temperature? What was the motor doing at the time that the machine went down? Collecting all of this data about the Banbury machine then opened their eyes to how the Banbury was operating on a daily basis. They've seen a 10 to 15 and almost 20% increase in productivity of this machine now that they understand what's happening with it and they have visibility to the data.
Like everybody else, we want to run faster, better, less expensive. But in order to do that, we need to make sure that we're running good material. And to be able to balance test results and functional data with the data that we're seeing out of innius, we think we're really just getting started on what we can be able to do with that.
We have a vision to be world-class, and with the integration of innius, it really took us to that next level as far as Industry 4.0.
We can start to analyze the process, analyze the data, find out where we can improve it and make the better product, happier customers.